Hey, Skylar here from Sojourn Fine Jewelry. The other day I was reading through a book on ancient jewelry and stumbled across a really cool design called the Sussex loop. They were arm bracelets made back in Bronze Age, about 3,500 years ago, and they only come from one spot in England, in Sussex. What we're going to be doing today is making it into a ring. And the first thing we need to do is alloy some rose gold. So, like they say in England,
get rid of the Gatling gun.
and we're going to be rolling it out with the Pepe Tools 160mm combination rolling mill. Alright, we're getting that ingot square. So we're going to anneal it, soften it real quick so that way we don't crack it as we are rolling it out to a finer square wire. Alright, now we have our 14 karat rose gold wire. Now it's time to get to the bench and start forming it into this ring. Now we have it in this shape. We're just going to bend this thing around into a ring shape. And the way that I like to do it, use a Pepe Tools ring bender. Alright, so now we have it in the basic shape that we're looking for. I think what I'm going to do is pickle it and clean all this off and then throw in the magnetic tumbler for a few minutes. And then once I'm done there, I'm going to weld the top together and maybe weld on the side of the loop as well. And then clean it up, polish it, and I think we'll be about done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this ring. It's a really simple ring, but it's just a really elegant style. I absolutely fell in love with the moment I saw it. Make sure you check out my website, sojournfinejewelry.com, for all the rings that I make. Alright guys, thanks again for watching to the end of the video, and I will catch you on the next one.